everyone. I'm Elyssa Weickert from the BC Wildlife Federation Youth Program Coordinator, and I'm joined today by Mark McDonald, the Vice President of the Board.
Good afternoon, everybody. Thanks for joining us for the early bird draw for the BC Wildlife Federation's Fall Conservation Lottery. We're going to be pulling a ticket today for a charter for 3 with Aurora Coast Adventures and Prince Rupert, and a mooching rod and reel from Luhr-Jensen.
A special thank you to BC Gaming for authorizing our license, and an additional thank you to Mark and Raffle Nexus for making this lottery a success.
Yeah. Again, thank you to everybody for buying tickets for the early bird draw here. Just a reminder that the draw does go to the main draw that'll be held December 9th. A chance to win an F-150 pickup and some other great prizes. Our conservation lottery supports controlled burns, our Southern Interior Mule Deer project, our wetland restorations, program for seniors, youth, people with disabilities, all sorts of different things. So your money is going to a good cause.
And without further delay, I think we should start the countdown for our draw.
Okay, so there we go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And congratulations to D. Horgan from Duncan, BC. Ticket number 120460.
Thank you to everybody who participated, and remember, if you didn't win today, we still have 5 prizes to be won, plus our 50-50 draw. So stay tuned for our grand final draw in December.